Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shahira binti Rosli and I will be explaining some part in this poster. So, what is a submarine power cable? A submarine power cable is a transmission cable for carrying electric power below the surface of the water. Why they call as submarine? They call as submarine because they usually carry electric power beneath salt water. So they come in two flavors, which is alternating current and direct current. The selection criteria for this cable are heavily dependent on the route length, voltage, transmission capacity, and grid synchronization.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ashkin and now I will explain how the submarine power cable is operated. Okay, the cables work by getting energy from a source out over water, usually by wind turbines and using massive cables that lie on or under the seabed to transfer the energy to the land. Okay, so this is the cables that will fall under the seabed, and we use wind turbines in order to make the cables work.
Assalamualaikum and Salam Ramadan. My name is Nur Fadila Tasha binti Fadli and I will explain about where is the submarine power cable has been applied over the world. As you can see here, this is a wind turbine at the offshore wind farm, and this is the biggest offshore wind farm which is located at London Array, United Kingdom. Okay, so I will show you the plan of the London Array offshore wind farm. So basically the smaller dot here is the wind turbine, and this is all connected by submarine power cables, and the smaller cables run from each turbine to an offshore substation here and here. So then the power is transported over a higher capacity export cable to an offshore grid connection which is not shown here, and the cable used in this London Array wind farm is HVDC. The cable type usually depend on the distance from the shore, and earlier inshore wind farm used a higher voltage AC and larger wind farm used high voltage DC cable like London Array. Thank you.
I will explain the advantages. So it is a source of renewable energy because we use ocean energy and wind turbines. Next, cables didn't interrupt human methods. This is because the cables is under the seabed, so it doesn't interrupt human methods at all. Last but not next, sea animals actually use the cables as a place to live near, such as algae. They make their live near the cables because of the heat energy. Next, the cables can be used to transfer power to places that couldn't get power without them, such as people who live far away from the main source. That's all.
Next one. Who will get the benefits from this? The first one, the consumer. The consumer can access to the internet even when they are on offshore. So they don't have any problem to connect with their loved ones on the land. The next one is marine life. The electromagnetic heat around the cables cause the heat energy around them to be slightly higher, and this has to be proven to be a good environment for organisms such as algae. That's all from me. Thank you.